Hello student, we are discussing the transition and inner transition elements, and in the part 7 we are discussing here the inner transition, that is the F block element, and in that we are discussing lanthanides and actinides. Elements whose f orbital get filled by electrons are called f block elements. Since f orbital lies much inside the d orbital in relation to transition metal, the f block elements are also termed as inner transition elements. The lanthanides are characterized by gradual filling up of 4f orbital, and actinides are characterized by gradual filling up of 5f orbitals. There are 14 elements filling the f orbital in each series. So therefore each series contains 14 elements. The relative energies of n minus d, nd and n minus 1 f orbital are very similar and are sensitive to electronic configuration. Now let us discuss the position of lanthanides and actinides in the periodic table. These elements are placed separately at the bottom of the periodic table. So this is the position. Now they belongs to group number 3. Both lanthanide and actinide belong to group number 3. And lanthanide belongs to 6th period and actinide belong to 7th period. Lanthanides begins with atomic number 57 and end at atomic number 71. Now let us discuss the properties of F block element. Properties of F block element are similar to properties of D block element. Electrons are added to F subshell of n-2 level. Elements are placed between n-1d and ns block element. Lanthanides are also termed as rare earth element as they are found fairly abundant in earth crust. Lanthanide exhibit similar chemical properties, so new separation methods like ion exchange resins are used to separate out them. These metals are soft with moderate density of about 7 gram centimeter raised to -3. They have high melting point and boiling point. Lanthanides are very reactive and resemble like alkali and alkaline earth metal in their reactivities than transition metal. The common oxidation state for lanthanide is +3, and +2 oxidation state is also important in case of lanthanides. All lanthanoids form stable oxides of the type M2O3, where M is nothing but it is the metal ion. Eu+2 and Yb+2 are the most stable di-positive metal ion. Higher oxidation states are unusual for lanthanide except cerium, for which we can see the stable +4 species. Lanthanoids have lower heat of atomization than transition metal. What is heat of atomization? The energy required to break the metal lattice. The energy required to break the metal lattice is called heat of atomization. In case of lanthanide, we see lower heat of atomization. The next property is europium and ytterbium have lowest enthalpy of vaporization. They resemble alkaline earth element. They dissolve in liquid ammonia to give blue conducting solutions. Their ionic radii decreases from 117 pm of La to 100 pm of lutetium. The reason for decreasing radii is 4f orbital do not shield the outer 5s and 5p electron effectively, so the effective nuclear charge increases and the ionic radii goes on decreasing. Their ions have high coordination number, that is most commonly we see the 6, but also 9, 10 and 12 coordination number is also found in some cases. All lanthanoids form hydroxides of the general formula LnOH thrice. Ln represent any element of the lanthanide series. All hydroxides are ionic and basic in nature. Since the ionic size decreases from La plus 3 to Lu plus 3, the basicity of hydroxide decreases. That means here we can say that LaOH thrice is strongest base and LuOH thrice is weakest base. Lanthanoids react with nitrogen to give nitride of the formula LnN. Lanthanoid react with halide to give the compound of the formula LnX3. Lanthanide react with carbon at high temperature, that is near about 28,000 Kelvin temperature. Lanthanide gives carbide with having the general formula LnC2. In +3 oxidation state, many of the lanthanoids are colored in nature. Properties of lanthanide includes the following points here broadly. Lanthanoids having the metal soft with moderate densities of about 7 gram per cm cube, good conductor of heat and electricity. The atomic and ionic radii decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. This is called as a lanthanide contraction. Their ions have high coordination number. The lanthanoids are strongly paramagnetic. Gadolinium become ferromagnetic below 16 degrees Celsius. Ferromagnetic means it is having permanent magnetic moment. The other lanthanide, that is terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, they become also ferromagnetic, but they show the ferromagnetism at much lower temperature. Magnetic and optical properties are largely independent of environment. Now let us discuss the point, that is the electronic configuration of lanthanoids. The electronic configuration of the lanthanoid is given as Xe, 4F started from 0 to 14, 5D started from 0 to 2, 6S2. The lanthanoids involves gradual filling of F orbital. The energies of 5D and 4F orbitals are very close. For lanthanum, 4F is slightly higher in energies than 5D. Lanthanum, the first member, will show the electronic configuration Xe, that is xenon. Electronic configuration is similar to like this. Then in the next layer we see the 6s2 4f1. Now the electrons are gradually filled in 4f orbital. Gadolinium and lutetium have 5d1 electron to make f orbital half filled and fully filled to attain the extra stability. The electronic configuration of lanthanoids have variable occupancy in 4f orbital, that is starting from 0 to 14. The number of electron in 6s orbital remains constant in ground state, that is 6s2. The valence shell electronic configuration of lanthanoids can be represented as n-2f, which is having the capacity of 0, 2 to 14, n-1d having capacity 0, 1, 2 and ns2. That is the valence shell electronic configuration of the lanthanoid. Now let us take a look over of the electronic configuration, atomic and ionic radii of the lanthanide. We can see clearly here firstly the elements present in the lanthanides are starting from atomic number 57 lanthanum, 58 cerium, 59 praseodymium, 60 neodymium, 61 promethium, 61 samarium, 63 europium, 64 gadolinium, 65 terbium, 66 dysprosium, 67 holmium, 68 erbium, 69 thulium, 70 ytterbium, 71 lutetium.